How much downtime can you afford? At Veeam, we meet the demands of today and challenges of tomorrow, and will help you break free from outdated legacy backup. Veeam is a simple, flexible, and reliable solution, providing a single backup and data management platform for cloud, virtual, and physical platforms. Veeam delivers modern data protection through products and services you can trust. We make cloud adoption easy by providing portability, protection, and simple licensing of workloads. In short, we put the confidence back in your business. Veeam is trusted by more than 400,000 organizations globally, including over 80% of the Fortune 500 and 1,200 government agencies. We keep the world's most precious data safe from cyber attacks, and we're ready to help your organization identify and defend against ransomware. Simple, flexible, reliable, powerful. Veeam.